How to use Street View on Google Maps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store and download the Google Maps application on your phone if you don't have it already. Then, open the app. Now, navigate the map by zooming and dragging until you find the specific street you want to view. To select a location, press and hold your finger on a point on the road. This action drops a red pin at that spot. As soon as the red pin is dropped, a small, square Street View photo thumbnail appears in the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on this thumbnail. The screen then transitions into a 360-degree Street View of that location. Once inside Street View, you can now navigate. Swipe on the screen to look around. Here, tap on the white arrows that appear on the road to move forward or backward along the street. This feature allows you to virtually explore locations. Following these steps, you can easily use Street View on Google Maps on an iPhone.